Hello guys, we are playing +1 Broke Keyboard Abridge, and I need to get at least like 1 rebirth. Only a single rebirth that cost me 1,000 wins, which is easy peasy lemon squeezy. So let's just do it. Okay. Wait, keycaps! Oh my god, I need this. Wow, complete. Oh my god, this stupid dog. Okay, no. Wait, what are the tabs? Where did I get to? Collected +1 wins. I try to do this, but I need this. Okay. But why is that important? Okay, I'm doing my keyboards. No keycaps, I'm so bad. Oh my god, wait. And try to check the red. Wait, no! Oh my god, that's so close. Okay, I'm gonna take the 50. Oh, I need this. Oh, I already got that. Okay, ignore the B because it's so annoying. God, get on the treadmill! Oh my god, these stupid players! Oh. Okay. Okay. I think I should get to. Or if this is, I'm switching my goal. If I get to stage 6, I will end the video. And this might seem impossible, but I can do it. Wait. Never mind. I suck at this game. Oh my god. Okay, ignore it. Please don't clip that. Please, I'm begging. Wait, actually clip that. I want to be popular. Wait, should I try a keycaps? Wait, no, 8,000 keycaps, not 8. I'm so stupid for saying 8 and not the 8,000. I got to do keycaps. Please, make it. Oh my god. Collected. Wait, I'm so close to. I don't want this. I'm so close to the stage 6. Okay. Wait. If I do go only 1 video and stage 6, I will end the video. A boat seems pretty awesome. But I need the rebirth because it is the easiest thing than the stage 6 that is so impossible that I can't get to 500, no, 50,000 caps. Okay, this. Okay, if I do it 2 times, so then I'll rebirth and I'll end the video. That's the genius idea I ever done than being useless. I'm right. I'm always I guess the most recent glitch. So many times in other games that I get more runs. Aura, that's basically runs, but it's an other game. Oh my god, finally I can end the video. So, goodbye. Peace out.